beautiful people, welcome back to Uncle Lou's Kitchen. Today, I'm going to be... Oh yeah, we didn't do the shearing thing. Today, I'm going to keep that in, by the way, and that. So today, I'm going to be showing you how to make bubble tea. So, I'm not going to be showing you how to actually make the bubbles themselves, because ain't nobody got time for that.
Just a real quick one. The day may come where I do actually make them myself, so just check at the top. If you see a link, click there. If you don't see a link, I haven't made it yet.
So basically what you want to do is buy this stuff from your local Asia market, because for some reason it's just become extortionate now when you find a little bubble tea shop and they're charging you like a £5 for a small cup. I'm like, are you mad? Why would I pay £5 for a tiny cup like that? So basically whenever I go to a bubble tea shop, there's usually two flavours that I'll always go for. One is either coconut or salted caramel if they have. And to my amazement, when I went to Asia market to buy the bubbles, check out what I found, right? Coconut salted caramel sauce. This is like the best of both worlds and it works. So I'm going to be showing you how to make it at home using coconut, salted caramel and the bubbles themselves. Nature's Charm, shout out to you. And this is not a sponsored advert either. It's just a really good product and I'm going to be making another video with something in this as well. Anyhow, if you happen to like vegan and vegetarian food, please hit the like button, hit subscribe and I will love you for it. Let's get cooking.
So, to begin, you're going to want 1 large glass of whatever plant milk you use. For this recipe, I finally succumbed to Oatly's guerrilla marketing. I've never had it before, figured I'd give it a try. I mean, I can't stop seeing their adverts everywhere. I went for the organic one. Now, for the boba, which is basically the black tapioca, aka boba, you want 50 grams of that, 1 teaspoon of coconut flavouring, 1 large teaspoon of the salted caramel, and 1 teaspoon of sugar, which is optional. I happen to like mine quite sweet. And here's the black tapioca pearl brand that I buy. I get it from Asia Market. You'll probably find this in any Asia Market you go to. And for those of you who don't know, bubble tea originates in Taiwan. And I think it's been around since the 1980s. People seem to think it's more modern than that. It's actually quite vintage. And this is the coconut flavouring that I use. It's by Natco. It's got that very strong synthetic smelling coconut. You know, the one that actually smells nicer than real coconut. So this I happen to use in a lot of cakes and anything that I want to make coconutty. This is the one you want. And this is the salted caramel by Nature's Charm. Guys, this is freaking incredible. Again, not a paid advert. I just found this randomly on the shelf at my local Asia market when I went to get the bubble tea. I was like, I have to make this. Lads, if you dip your finger in this thing and give it a lick, you'll want to devour the whole thing with a spoon. I am telling you, it is divine. So the first step is to get the water boiling, and then what you want to do is just wait for the tapioca to float to the top. Once it has floated to the top, give it a few extra minutes because you want to make sure they're cooked properly from the inside as well. And now for the milk, very simple. Put it on medium heat just to get it warm up so that all the flavours can dissolve. Once that's done, you either have it warm or you can take it off to cool down.
A few moments later.
And that about concludes another video of mine. As always, please do hit the like button, do subscribe. It's very much appreciated, and I wish you an amazing day. Stay safe and God bless.